Okay, so I know I review a lot of gear on this channel, but like this here, this is my new favorite piece of gear. Like literally all of my camera gear that I own is right here inside this backpack. As a matter of fact, I think that's what I'm gonna title this video. All the camera gear I own in one bag. Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to review the Tarion XP Edition camera backpack. This thing is literally the best piece of gear I have ever got. Like truly, absolutely love this thing. First off, super hard shell on the front, so it's going to protect all the camera lenses and gear that I have inside here, which is a ton of stuff. Up here, you've got a nice strap to hold your tripod, which is a wonderful Tarion portable tripod, which they got one thing right, guys. They used clips. See these clips? They use clips. Clips are so important. Those twisty things, they are a big pita. Absolute pita. Love the fact that these have clips on them. Super easy to get out, run and gun shooting, pop your tripod up nice and fast. You've got the clips on there. And then let's look at the ball head on this thing too. Like super wicked ball head. Easy adjustment, turn this screw, super nice smooth movement for panning. And then turn this screw over here and you've got full motion ball head on the top with the option for a 90 degree if you pop it down right there. You got everything right with this thing. Super good build quality, folds up nice and small, and clips on the front of the backpack super nicely. You could put it down the side too if you wanted to, but I've got other gear in the side, as you'll see when we get into this video. So the backpack, literally my favorite thing. Did I say that yet? My favorite piece of gear? Like totally favorite piece of gear here. So again, hard shell on the front. Let's have a look inside. You zip this guy open, and the first thing you're gonna see is you have a weatherproof cover, which is protecting all your gear. So super important if it's ever gonna rain and any rain gets through this, which I don't even think it will, like splashes anyway, you're not gonna dunk it in water, but inside you've got another weatherproof cover here, which is super amazing. And then in the lid, you have two pockets to sort out any of your batteries, any things like cables, all that kind of jazz, you can put in the front pocket. It's got a secondary pocket, which I have lens caps in. And then it has three smaller, tiny, dedicated memory card pockets. So in the front cover, you've got three pockets. Sorry, you've got 5 pockets, 2 zipper pouches, and then 3 Velcro pouches for your memory slots. So super awesome for organization there. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of this guy. That's in here. Okay, so I've got my memory cards. I've got my lens cap, filters. I've got the dead cat for the video micro. This is where the camera that I'm shooting with goes. So this sits on top. Lens strap, or sorry, camera strap, battery charger, Rode microphone cover. There's the Rode mic in there. More battery chargers. Everything I own inside this camera bag. So super awesome, easy to organize. We'll zip this guy up here. Okay. And then let's have a look at the sides of it. Well, we got the bottom here. Super strong, good quality polyester there, or denier nylon or whatever. Good quality fabric. On the side here you can see I've got normally my Joby, which I'm using right now. I've got my smaller Manfrotto. I've got my selfie stick. And then we flip over to the other side and I've got my Zhun Smooth 4. So that's super wicked. And in the back you can put your laptop. So we've got a spot here, this zips open, and you can put your laptop inside there as well. So really thought of everything for this backpack. This is completely somebody that's going to shoot their video, edit their video, they want to bring as much as they can with them in one bag, this is it. Let's look at the back. Look at this padding, like super comfortable to wear. I've taken this on about 4 or 5 shoots so far. Absolutely love it. The padding on the shoulder straps is super important. One of the nice things you'll see is it actually has a chest strap here. So what this does is it pulls the shoulder straps in when you have the backpack on, and it just makes for like a better, snugger fit, which is super important when you want to carry a heavy weight. You want to have it in your back on the right place. So they got that down. You also have a couple D-rings here if you want to attach whatever to those, you can. Sometimes people put a thumb strap to them so that they can actually take some of the weight with their hand too. So very, very, very well designed bag. Let's look at the top, because I've got a ton more stuff up here in the top of the bag. So not only do you have all your camera gear up here in the front, you also have this huge area in the top, which is expandable. So if you have it rolled up, okay, so we'll just roll it down here and we'll tighten it up. Clip, tighten. Let's say you want to access some gear. Okay, so you've rolled it up now. Instead of unrolling it to get at your gear, you actually turn the bag around. You'll see they have a zipper compartment here. So you can pop this open like so and get into your gear right here. So pull that out. That's the rain cover. So again, if you're worried about getting through that material, you've got an extra rain cover inside. Super awesome. Don't think I'll ever use it, but I actually keep it in it, so we'll see, maybe one day. Got my aperture light. I've got my bag of goodies. So this is the tripod stand for the Zhiyun Smooth 4, another Joby, a little timer thing, and different camera accessories in there. And then my favorite is my action camera bag, which I have in here as well. So all of my action camera goodies are in this bag here. So again, literally everything I own is in one bag. This camera bag is freaking amazing. So pop this back in and I'll show you guys. Actually here, we'll zip it up and I'll show you how much room is in it when it's expanded. But I actually get my drone inside this thing too. So ton. So there you go, you open it like this. Okay, and then whoo, look at the cavernous amount of space that you have in there, and this is padded in the bottom. So this part, which is kind of like right here in the backpack, is padded. So you've got your divider line here, top part padded. You want to put clothes in there, maybe for the afternoon if you're doing a shoot and you want to change. You've got a nice spot to put your clothing or your action camera bag. Okay, accessory bag, aperture light, rain cover. And I still have room for a jacket or whatever on top. So again, super amazing design. I want to thank Tarion for sending me this backpack. I absolutely love it. It goes everywhere with me. If you want to grab a backpack like this one, I put a direct link in the description below where you can pick one up and add it to your photo arsenal. Seriously though, like this is my favorite piece of gear. I know I do a lot on the channel. My favorite. You should get one. Head down below, click that link. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And if you like this video, hit that like button. And until next time, take it easy out there.